Hello everybody, today is Wednesday, July 13th. You see my computer clock here. I'm just getting around to making today's video. It's 8:06 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and the chart we're showing here is the crude oil. Today was the crude inventory day. I want to bring over the time and sales. So the last trade on the crude was about 8:06 at 45.16. This is not a market replay. These charts were traded today. There's no H next to the trade. I had some technical difficulties with my computer and software both Monday and Tuesday, so I was not able to make a video. But we have a video for you today. It was a pretty good day for the auto trader today. Before I go any further, first the required disclaimer. Okay, first up is the crude oil, and as stated, today was the crude inventory report, and just want to show you the action here. The announcement was at 10 o'clock, so you can see on my time axis here, we entered along right here at 10 o'clock, and in 1 second the market moved 100 ticks. So this is 10:30 and 1 second, and we have a high here of 46.69, and we have a low of 45.85. So in just 1 second we had a spike of 100 ticks. Probably traders, pulling their bids, and the next highest bid was a sell here. And then from 10:30:01 until 10:30:02, we had all this back and forth action. So extreme volatility. So I have let the auto trader trade through the crude oil report, and it handles it like a champ. It actually hit its goal here, but the action was so furious that it didn't get filled up here, and it finally got filled over here about 10 or 12 seconds later. But then it took a short here and a long here, and it hit its goal for the day, and it looks like it had some slippage on the end. So we'll just say that it hit its goal for the day with some slippage due to the volatility, because as you can see, the goal was hit within 2 minutes after the announcement. Okay, next up is the DAX on the Super 14 tick. This has performed pretty well. These little triangle here are actually our volume reversal indicator, which is pretty neat. Works pretty good. But anyway, the DAX did $1,000 on 2 contracts today on the 14 tick Super Rank. Okay, next up is the crude on the Super 10 tick. This had a mixed bag today, but still managed to do 680 on 2 contracts. Still a respectable performance. Next up is the DAX on the 34-second line break, and that was up about nearly $1,000, and then took a loser at the end here and dropped us back to 750. It was actually up 1,400, and so we took quite a hit here, but still ended up with a decent profit for 2 contracts. Okay, next up is the gold contract on the Super 6 tick. We've seen this chart quite a few times. This did 540 on 2 contracts. Okay, next up is the DAX on the Super 6 tick, and that did 525 for the day, a modest return, 2 contracts on the DAX. And that's it for today's video. If you'd like to find out more, please contact us at systems@bluewavetrading.com or visit our website. Thank you for watching today.